Hey, to use sound equalizer on the JBL Wave Buds, first of all, you will have to open a JBL headphones application on your device, and then you will have to scroll a little bit and open Equalizer. Then you can turn it on by clicking on this switcher. And right now you can find 1, 2, 3, 4 default presets that you can quickly change by selecting one of it. Also, you can edit current presets by tapping on the settings icon. And now by moving your finger, you can set it up to your own preferences, and you can click save. And as you can see now, you will don't overdrive this current preset, you will actually create the new one. And also we can create completely new by tapping here, then adjusting all of these dots to your preferences. And then when you click here, you can even change name of this preset and click save to confirm. And now we can actually change between all of these presets. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.